MIG, metal dormant gas, welding is one of the most notable sorts of welding for consolidating metals. From capable welding to side interest projects, metal inert gas welder machines are a dependable and effective strategy to make extraordinary quality welds. MIG welding is an easy-to-get the hang of calling, and a piece of such welding machines are moreover sensible for juveniles too. This kind of welding can be used for certain endeavors, including auto body work and metal equipment support. Welding is a muddled and profoundly gifted craftsmanship. There are numerous factors to consider and a wide range of sorts of welding to test. In any case, for most amateurs, MIG welding is the least demanding and generally flexible decision to get everything rolling with. For some, MIG welding will satisfy their requirements in general. MIG machines are likewise more reasonable than a few different kinds of welders, so it's simpler for a specialist to add it to their instrument assortment. MIG welders are remarkably perfect at welding aluminum, delicate steel, tempered steel, and can weld steel of around a part of an inch thick. They produce strong, clean welds and can weld anything from petite sheet metal and are even prepared for welding carbon steel. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best MIG welder machines for home use. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Adedad brand. Adedad MMA Welder 160 amp dual voltage 110V, 220V is capable of welding mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. The advanced IGBT power device with a unique control mode improves the reliability and efficiency of welding machines. Good choice for DIYers, welding hobbyists, and home maintenance chores by using welding electrodes. Adedad ARC welder machine adopts automatic shut-off protection mechanism that are set internally to prohibit overcurrent to make sure safely operation via signal lights. Display is easy to read, and this ARC welder is so easy to use that it can be used by novices for practicing and for small welding operations to become a master welder. The steady current from the most advanced IGBT tech makes the welder decrease the damage of copper and iron, apparently expanding the welding frequency, and energy optimization result is impressive. Voltage correctly matches and adjusts the current to ensure a stable current output, prohibits overload conditions, and the multiple processing protection mechanism improves welding efficiency and ensures your safety. Adedad ARC welding machine features an easy-to-carry handle, compact lightweight body and protective corner case design. The lightness and strength of its elements make this welding machine a reliable welding tool for professionals or DIY users, whether you work indoors or outdoors. Each Adedad IGBT stick welder device undergoes a strict 50-point inspection before leaving the factory to ensure that it meets the particularly high standard reset. Every semiconductor, attachment, cable, electronics board and all spare parts are thoroughly examined and tested for strong durability. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the ARCCAPTAIN brand. The recommend current and wire feeding speed will be automatically matched after selected diameter of the welding wire. The MIG welder is easier for beginners or those that are learning to weld and want to make small repairs around the house. 3 welding modes Flux Core Gasless MIG, Lift TIG, MMA meet your different requirements. Adjust the current and 10-speed variable feed controls for perfectly managed flux cored welding of carbon steel, stainless or even thicker steel, ideal for home DIY, outdoor repairs, rusty metal, farm and road equipment, and maintenance and repairs. The welder comes with an attached MIG torch and power cable. You can weld after unpacking the box. It's convenient to use. Built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheating, and overvoltage function that extend the lifespan of the machine. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 3 in our top is from the WARCKING brand. This MIG Welder's 110-220 comes with a conversion cable that can connect to 110V/220V with a maximum output current of 160 amp and can weld mild steel up to 1/8 plate. Allows you to easily work in different voltage environments. This flux cord welder working MIG welder uses 0.030" and 0.035 flux cord wire, which releases metal inert gas during welding to prevent oxidation of the welded portion. Its voltage and current are adjustable, and we have a 2-pound rolls of wire for you to use. The MIG welding machine can automatically compensate and adjust the welding current to get a perfect weld. Digital liquid crystal display, easy to read voltage and current information. Intelligent chip can effectively prevent overheating and overcurrent, and protect the safety of personnel and machines. This is an IGBT inverter gasless flux welder machine. The current, voltage, wire feeding speed are adjustable. Besides, under the synergy function, the machine will automatically control the voltage and current to achieve a smooth arc. The machine is always in the best condition, and it is simple and easy to operate. Mini body and ultra-low price will be the best choice for home users, DIY craft enthusiasts, beginners, and small projects. Number 2 in our top is from the ARCCAPTAIN brand. The multi-process welding machine that included gas, solid wire MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick, MMA, spot welding, lift TIG, spool gun connector optional. Digital control and automatically match the recommend current and wire feeding speed when selecting the diameter of welding wire and gas material. Also, you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. Easy to work with beginners or professional welders. Cooling fan that runs only when it's needed, so no constant buzzing sounds. The MIG welder features some special functions that included adaptive crater, burn back adjustment and pre-flow, post-flow, which improve your welding efficiency. 2T, for T2 welding way meets your needs. Store 10 preset settings. Can set 10 groups of parameter data for each welding mode. It's more convenient to start the next welding job. Exclusive human-computer interaction LED screen design. Provides you with accurate data display and makes you read easier and more clear without taking off your helmet. Easy to carry with a handle or shoulder strap included, perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm, road equipment, and home DIY. The number 1 product is part of the HITBOX brand. This HBM 1200 is 110V, 220V dual voltage MIG welder, with lift TIG function, ARC/MIG 3-in-1. Synergic control MIG function allows the automatic change of the voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage or choosing different thicknesses to make it much more easier to operate. Its arc is smooth that bring you a decent job. Please kindly note that the earth clamp and MIG torch are undetachable. HITBOX HBM 1200 welder machine has a rated duty cycle of 40% at 120 amps. With this feature, this MIG 120 will protect you and your welder from any long-lasting damage. It may be irritating when the welder switches itself off, but then you can ensure that this MIG welder will last a longer time. HITBOX MIG welder come with a safety feature where the welder is automatically turned off when it is too hot or the voltage and current exceed their range. This flux core welder will keep you and your welder safe. There are fans helping to cooling the welder when working. Which MIG welder would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.